So good evening, all of you on the platform of Global Alliance of Numerologists. So it's a matter of pride for all of us, as Poonam has just mentioned, like Siddharth has been nominated and he recently delivered his speech on the TEDx platform. And it's a pride moment, not only for the GLAON, but for the fraternity also. Like the subject, I must say, numerology is recognized, accepted now by masses, by public, and by classes as well. So, congratulations, Siddharth S. Kumarji.
Thank you so much, Sumeet. And it's all the journey that
I must say that he is actually making the way for the other people, like to how this particular journey can be, like, not only started, but how the destinations, the achievements can be, like, in very young age. Siddharth, I'm seeing that you are doing wonderful. Congratulations again from the global founding team as well as from all the participants, because as of now they're not allowed to speak, but they all are congratulating to you. So coming back to the today's topic, I don't know what Siddharth is having because he always comes up with the secrets and he's gonna say on his. But I had to reveal my topic, and I revealed my topic as numerology and artificial intelligence. This is a very new topic. I think first time on any platform this such kind of topic is being taken up. People have not discussed earlier. Let me present and put it up what little I could understand, read about this subject. There are many technical people who are better equipped and aware of this subject than me. I still try to dive into this subject with whatever little I could do. So without wasting more time, like let us begin this journey through PPT. Am I allowed to share?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Is it visible to all of you?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So you could see, I don't know how creatively people work, and like I could see Vivek Mantri and all the good background, and I don't know how to do that, but little bit I try to make this subject little interesting with colorful artificial intelligence. The topic is, I was thinking to use the artificial intelligence for making the PPT, which I am told is possible, but somehow I had to do it manually. So topic is quite interesting. You could see there are two uh, particular posters are there. One is all these 12 Rashi or 12 Rashis, and on the other hand, AI is there. And how they're integrated with each other is something we are going to talk and discuss. How interesting the artificial intelligence is becoming for this field of occult, not only for numerology, but for astrology. I would have given and shown you the example also, but because of the time constraint, we could not. They can even tell you that nakshatra's placement in a particular house with a particular conjunction, what the result would be. I wonder that artificial intelligence is taking away the jobs of all the fields, particularly technical fields. So there is a possibility that people start using the apps which are advising and guiding and telling about what is to be done, what not to be done through numerology and astrology by using the artificial intelligence. So let us begin the next chapter. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Some of the specific application of AI are ES, expert systems. So you put a question, I'm seeing that kids are using a lot of any subject, whether it's a science, maths or so, and you'd be able to immediately get the answers. NLP, which I think Vivek and many people are acquainted with, natural language processing. Third is speech recognition. So the AI people are capable, or these systems are capable of recognizing not only the speech, but they can ditto copy the same and deliver on your behalf also. That is what something is happening. Then MV machine vision all subjects, how and what machine think about. So it is not only a data collection, but the machine started using the mind. It may be artificial, but they have started using creatively. AI works by combining large amounts of data with the fast interactive processing and intelligent algorithm, allowing the software to learn automatically from the patterns or features in the data. This is very important. Like we all do patterns based studies and results. Now this AI is capable of collecting not only the data, but pattern based result also in few seconds or minutes it can give you. In simple language, AI means yantrik buddhi. Those who wish to understand in Hindi, I don't know how easy this is. It's tough Hindi. Yantrik buddhi. AI is the way in which computers can, in a simple word, I try to put it. Computers can be made to copy and act the way human thinks, behave and respond. यानी कि एआई यांत्रिक बुद्धि जिसके माध्यम से कंप्यूटर को मानव बुद्धि, सोच और व्यवहार की नकल और कार्य करने में सक्षम बनाया जा सके. This is what the AI is. This is the next level of the scientific invention, I could say. What is the next topic? You will just find it connected to AI only. This is the market. I am inspired by Siddharji. He always talks about market. So this is the market of AI. You could see 2020, 12.9 billion. Then 21, 20.9 billion. 22 and 23, the result is given. Hardware, software, and service, all three industries are given here. Software is increasing more rapidly than the hardware now. But the global artificial, this report is prepared by the Asia Pacific Artificial Intelligence Market based. Next 7 years, AI market is shown as a projected 136.55 billion in 2022 and is projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 37.3 from 23 to 2030. So 7 years are very crucial. In each of your subject, AI will be interfering. I would not say interfering. It would be taking over. It would be mastering and controlling those subjects. You feel like that you are doing the calculation, that calculation could or would be done by the AI now. That is what the future is coming. The relationship, numerology and AI. So how both the subjects can be connected and they can integrate with each other. Numerology is a system of beliefs that seeks to understand human personality traits and life events based on the systematic reading and numbers and patterns. Systematic readings. AI, on the other hand, is a technology that enables machine to learn from data, make decisions, and perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. One of the areas where numerology and AI they can interact and predictive analytics is numerologists use their knowledge and systematic reading and impact on number and name to make predictions about past, present, and future. So this is the core field people make boast of. Now AI would also be in position to speak up and give the predictions of future, past also to some extent. AI can use algorithms to analyze past data and make predictions about future outcomes. For example, an AI system could be used to analyze the stock market data. A lot of people are into this as well. Even in astrology, people have been using future market trends, while a numerologist could use those numbers, patterns, and triggers and periods to predict. So what the best use you can do is you can collect the data through AI, and based on those patterns and data, you could also be able to predict. Now people must be thinking, Mr. Tyagi has come up so much of these GLAON and all. Where are the numbers gone? Where the connectivity is gone? So that is the next page you're gonna get it. Vital numbers for AI. I try to beautifully put these things. I don't know how they become and how they are looking. Numbers represents following vital areas. Some of the numbers on my last December topic also I had predicted. I have given the correlation. Internet, web world, futuristic number is number 4. So those who always used to get scared of the Rakesh theory and many other theories, those theories have their own implications used in specific timings and period. So don't generalize everything. But yes, on the positive side and end, you could see all those numbers to which many people avoid. Point B, information technology, software app, numbers 4. Creativity, we all know, number 6. Intelligence, the pure intelligence, if you talk about number 5, wisdom is number 3. The moment it become an artificial intelligence is a combi of 4 and 5, according to my understanding. People may have different views. Hardware data, number 8 plus 9. Software industry, 5 plus 4 plus 8. Achha, I could have written 4 plus 5 plus 8. No, I am putting it deliberately 5 plus 4 plus 8. Technical knowledge, 9/7. So there are respective use of 9 and 7. AI robotics, this is something new subject. A lot of, I think, youngsters must be interested and they have been doing courses, etc. A combi of 4, 5, 8 and 9. So other ends, now you will be surprised that Rakesh, lot of numbers are coming here. Rahu, Ketu, Shani, Rakesh, the shorter and a lighter way I use normally. But it is making you futuristic, scientific, equipped person. If you could see that this is the best utilization of, if somebody is having those numbers, they are the masters, they become the master of the subject. Now, ancillary number, I am using number 1 as a control and number 2 as emotions. If you have to put in that AI system all these things and you want to have a control, these are the 2 people who do not have any role in execution part, but yes, admin and control away. You are sitting away somewhere and your AI things are being run. So these are vital numbers. App and softwares of AI, which are very prominent nowadays and very famous, like everybody talks about this, becoming talk of the town, that ChatGPT everybody is using for writing poems, songs, script, etc., etc. So besides the ChatGPT, there are so many other platforms which have come up in the form of, there are 4 types of AI software and apps are there. 1, artificial intelligence platform. 2, chatbots. 3, deep learning software. And 4, machine learning software. So famous AI and chatbots I have given with the numbers. Just try to get how these numbers are somewhere and somehow connected to. ChatGPT is a 28/1. As of now, it is the topmost one being searched, and that is the ChatGPT where Microsoft have invested. And in competition, in hurriedness, Google also has come up with its chatbot, or you can call it Bard, which is number 9. And Google has caused a loss of $100 billion because of a wrong answer given by this, what you call, chatbot. So you would find their precautions and disclaimers, they may be useful, but they may also be wrong, because if information or the data is fed by the human beings, and sometimes calculations may also be wrong, information may also be wrong. Then third is the Lambda, LAMDA 13/4. This is a language model for dialogue application. This is in the market, you can try. This is wonderful. Then ChatSonic, this is number 32/5. It is getting a lot of popularity nowadays. So it's gonna give, I feel, that a competition to ChatGPT. Jasper, this is a 80 writing software. Like if you are in habit of writing novel, etc., you can get the subscription. In a day or two, you can write a novel and story by the help of Jasper. Elsa Speak, AI-based language learning application. This is coming very well nowadays. It is teaching English language to many people and other languages as well. They are covering in this. The time is coming when the Elsa Speak would take the test of the people and issue the certificate automatic. No human intervention. They will be teaching you. They will be checking your pronunciation. We call it talaffuz in Urdu. Pronounce it, uchcharan aapka. Elsa Speak like software will scrutinize. Then there is a Dialog GPT, again 31/4, large scale pre-trained dialogue response generation. Why I'm saying again dialogues? So they are not like Google search. They apply their intelligence, which is artificial one, and they try to respond in a human-like behavior. You remember, okay, Google, do this or that. You remember the Siri and which one at home? What do you call? Alexa.
Alexa, yes, correct.
Okay. So these are the advanced version of the Siri, Alexa, and all, and they are more not only advanced, but they can understand and resolve many issues also. All other systems, AI system like Bloom, UChat, Perplexity, Scintilla, Replica. I tried to use it. There's a computerized human. You can say they speak to you. It is becoming very popular nowadays. People, particularly those who are staying alone, so they will ask that how are you, how was your day, and all, and they will interact. I wonder that the role of human and humanity is getting reduced by AI, but the best use if we are able to, and a control use if we are able to do, then I can say this become a kind of a blessing to the human being. Next, how AI can help numerology. This is vital. This is something interesting. So AI powered health app could use an individual's medical history, lifestyle, choices, and genetic data to provide personalized health recommendations, while a numerologist could use an individual's name, number, and chart pattern triggers to provide guidance on health, medical issues, and remedies. So blend of both AI and numbers or numerologist, it can do wonders, I feel. Similarly, apps and blend of numerology can helpful to advise in life, career choices, relationship, and finances. If somebody would ask how in relationship it can be helpful. In one of the cases, I was just reading the news. I don't know how truth that news would be. AI has suggested in a given situation, Mr. Such and such go for divorce. Why are tolerating this much? So now AI are reaching to that level. I wonder which kind of consciousness it is or intelligence it is, but they are what you call determining. They are becoming determining factor of advising and deciding. Limitations of AI and use of real intelligence and creativity, divinity by numerologists. So what best you have, which I feel that will never gonna be there with the AI, is the real intelligence. So RII, I have given a new name. I feel like a real intelligence, creativity, divine. These three things, they cannot be measured or the data can be fed by somebody. These are done by daily practices of meditation and other practices. So despite any advancement in AI is merely an artificial intelligence, and the biggest machine on the earth is human, who is having RI, real intelligence. What is needed is systematic use of RI. We are not using it systematic by R&D, research and development of numerology and other occult sciences. At the end, all the means, including AI, are ultimately meant for service of human beings. Hence, best utilization, optimization of these AI for the well-being of self and world must be opted for the wider and comprehensive interest of all. So let's have a balanced approach and use of AI and RI for the betterment of the world. So this was a very snapshot, little background and presentation I tried to give. I would want you to go back to again this wherever the numbers are reflecting, so that you guys could, if somebody wants to click, they can take it, because they may be having questions regarding why I have assigned particular number to. Guys, I have been working on this subject for last many days. Data was collected and morning only I prepared this PPT. Thank you very much to all of you for being patient during this presentation.
Thank you so much, Sumeet sir, for sharing your knowledge. We are really glad that you have hosted this evening today for us and shared the knowledge. Now I will ask Siddharth sir to start the evening. Over to you, Siddharth sir.